Hello and welcome to the video. This is a very quick video, not about this radio, about something you can get to put on it. Now this is the Radiomaster TX16S. This is currently one of my favourite radios around. This is my own personal one.
Welcome to OpenTX.
And I use it on a daily basis. It's actually got one of my Crossfire things in the back, and these are just fantastic radios. I do like the fact that Radiomaster have kind of stuck to the same kind of chassis, and they've also made sure that all the spares are available for these things as well. However, there are third-party options available, and that's what this video is about. This is the first ever quick draw on the channel. Now, URUAV do a number of different things. I think it's part of the Banggood company. These came to me from Banggood. These are the transmitter rocker backlight retrofit parts. They're available in several versions. Banggood sent me a couple to have a look at here. I've got a white one and a pink one. And the way it works is that inside here, there are the little plastic bezel tops, which on the real one are actually this kind of ring here. You can replace it with the clear plastic, and there's also then some LED strips that you can put around it as well. Now I'm not going to install these. This radio is way too blingy already, so I'm going to pass these on as giveaways. So it's usual stuff. If you want to be with a chance of winning these, then like, comment, subscribe. If you want to be in with a chance of winning the white set, obviously put white in your comment. And if you want to be in a chance with winning the pink set, put pink in the comment. Now this is going to be a very short and sweet draw. I'll actually give everyone just 24 hours, and that means that only the people that watch the channel regularly will be in with a chance of getting hold of this. So join me tomorrow where we'll find out who has won the white one and who has won the pink one. Thank you for spending your time today watching that video. You can find me in all the usual places on social media, and if you're trying to learn about a subject, then check out the playlist. All of my videos are organised into easy to follow playlists that if you're trying to learn a topic will take you from the basics right the way through to some pretty advanced stuff.